has to go. What are you doing? Oh my God, stop doing it. Where you go? He's just, oh my gosh.
He's hopping. He's different.
Behind you, take it. You gonna attack? Oop, way too close. Where's the ball? There it goes. Go on the other side. Where'd he go?
Look how cute he is.
Oh, way too close.
Oh, look how
His name is Tigger. We found him under a lilac bush on what day?
About 4 days ago.
Yeah, what's...
Been keeping.
Gonna
Yes.
keep him.
You're such a little tiny baby. Should we go out here and play?
Is he like 3 to 4 weeks old, huh?
Probably about 4 weeks.
He's always slept with us, so he's annoying at night. I woke up at 3 once and then 5. I couldn't sleep. He gets 2 balls out right now. They jingle. Zoom in very closely, slowly. What? Oh, he's climbing. He's climbing. Where'd he go? There he is.
He's excited. It's hard. I took him.
Here, you want a jingly ball? Ooh, is he okay? I can't do anything. Okay. Where's he going? Mom, watch out. He blends in with the wood. Look, can't see him now. Now you can.
Go into his bed.
Oh, that's his bed. His name was Tiger until we changed it to Tigger. Yeah.
Throw my ball.
Where's he going? He's being surrounded. Look at him.
Red.
What? What, Mom? You say something? There it goes. Pick one, anyone. You pick the yellow. What's going on there?
I don't want to get out there and then I'll
He's really hyper. We were just out of town and we saw him like over there and all, well, 3 cats were right there. Yeah. It's crazy. It's going under the table. Oh no, it's on my toe. He's a toe attacker. I kept telling Mom, name him T.A. and now she's like, what's that for? Toe attacker.
No, the first time you said it, you said.
smell like chives. He's hungry.
Yeah, he is.
Cat eating.
Look, he's hungry. He likes the milk.
Can I film some of the other cats? Simon, 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 Simon! Don't sniff that. You don't need that.
Here, another one. Here.
Simon, leave him alone. Stop me.
Simon, leave him alone. Here, I'll follow you. Simon, Simon. Oh, see, Simon's waiting like a good kitty.
Oh, Simon. Do you remember when you were a little baby kitty?
I bet he does, but just barely. Simon's waiting patiently, not trying to go to the cat. His paws are in it.
Simon.
Simon, stay.
Simon.
These are just this.
Hammy.
Oh, and this would be.
Hamtaro.
This would be.
It's Hamtaro time.
This would be
Hamtaro.
This would be Hamtaro.
Let's together.
What's he saying?
Too close.
Kush, kush.
This is all our cats. This is Tiger. Wait, this is Tiger. He's a boy, and this is Simon. Oh, too close.
Hey, you're gonna get Simon.
And then this is Bree's cute little hamster named Hamtaro. And then
As known as Hammy.
what? Oh, and if you look here, I don't know where the rest of our cats are. Put Hamtaro down and see what he does.
Okay. Now.
As he roams the table. As he roams the table for
Look what
food.
he did. He chewed on our remote. He chewed the off
That was
button.
Monty.
No,
Are you sure?
that was him.
Wait, I'm trying. It needs an autofocus.
Chewed.
But you're getting too close.
He chewed on our remote.
Keep wondering what
He chewed
you
on my
know.
bowl now.
Whoops, you don't need to look at that.
I'm just playing something.
Yeah, this is our living room. Once again, look at the beautiful Simon Kitty. Simon.
Maybe
Look up.
put both of them together just to show how small Tigger is.
Well, I can't get them both together unless I'm way back here. Put Tigger right by him.
He's so small. Mom.
As you can see,
He can go right under.
Simon is scared of the cat. But look, you can see how small he is compared to
Simon.
Simon, it's okay.
Eh,
Simon, go see the
he was
baby.
attacked by a hamster.
He's so cute.
I'm gonna let you go, but don't be eating. Is there any guys? Nope. Okay. Nash, watch Hamtaro. I'm gonna let him free.
Or film him. He likes the carpet because it's so close to the ground, and he thinks it feels good. But
Stay close.
yes, he is a boy, and he's quite fast
He's fat.
and fuzzy.
That's why
in fact.
every night he.
Oh, put Tigger right next to Hamtaro. See what they do.
He's not much bigger.
Yeah, not really.
No.
Simon, get.
Wait. Look. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Up, up.
Is that what you did yesterday?
Yeah, I was like, let's giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, up, up. Oh.
Still him
Come
on.
on, Simon.
Did you leave him on there without touching him, or?
Oh, gosh.
See, Hamtaro's like a little. See, Mom, Hamtaro's like a little sweeper. He's so close to the ground he can't. Even,
Soft.
but Hamtaro's so close to the ground he can't even see his feet, so he like sweep. He's like one of those street
He bit
cleaners.
my sock.
There we go,
And then in a couple months, Tigger will be twice as big.
Yeah, twice as big the hamster.
I'm going to go see what cat just came in. As I walk cautiously, there's the cat door, as most of us know. What? Turn off? Okay, bye. I am now turning on the night vision. Because I am bored. This is night vision, that's why it looks so weird.
Yeah.
Bye.
Simon, you're in the way. Simon, no. Simon. Oh, there. Oh, oh. Now. Oh, are you a good boy?
You need some more.
Are you so good? Yes, you are. Chub, chub. Look at the camera. No. Oh, it's beautiful eyes. Oh, you can't even fit on the screen. Now you can. Where are you going? Fine, be that way. Oh, there's Monty Bear. He's the fuzziest, so is Oreo. Monty Bear. That's Simon. Here he goes. Where's Monty? Monty? Oh, there he is. He's not really. Mom, look. Monty's staring at the camera. Oh, zoom in carefully. Oh. Oh, hi. Wink.
Simon.
Where is he? Hi. He's a good kitty. There he is.
You don't get the.
There's the first thing. Now, Chub Chub, he fits on camera.
Simon, you wait.
Oh, Simon's head fits on camera. Where's your beautiful blue eyes? Monty! Just bothering everyone today, aren't you? Look, you made him mad. Are you feeling Chub Chub? Oh, Chub Chub. Hey, Chub Chub, you want the ball? Apparently not.
I'm too big for that.
Of course you're big. You don't even fit on the screen. Mom, seriously, if it's this way, he don't fit on the screen. If it's this way, his tail doesn't. Now, him, he fits on the screen. Even if it's all the way zoomed out, he doesn't. Chub Chub doesn't fit on the screen unless it's like slanted like this.
You wait.
He still fits on the screen. Oh wait. See.
Little kitty gets to eat first.
Oh my gosh, Chub Chub, you are big, very big. Monty. Monty Bear, look at me. Where's Oreo? I think Oreo is out here.
You can wait.
There's Oreo. Doesn't he look delicious? Oh, are you sleeping? His name's Oreo because he look like an Oreo. Oh, put a little milk right next to him. He's ready to eat. You're tired, aren't you? Yep. One sec. Oops. Tigger. See the Tigger. Oops. One sec.
There's 4 of the 6 kitties.
Yeah. Wait. Four of the 6 go out. I'm not go out. Okay. I found it. Where are you?